have you upgraded your SAP PI PO system and have figured out, oh no, now I need to test all of these things to ensure that it doesn't break? Or you have just taken the chance, well, this new thing we added, it seems to work, hopefully it will work. And it will not break anything else, and when you moved it to production you found there was some changes that you had not anticipated, that you needed to figure out how do we solve these things. So that is a common thing that I've seen a lot of places when I've been doing PI development, that we have made some things, at least in the message mapping, where we are bordering on the edges of the technology, and whenever a patch tries to interfere with this, a patch on update, which is essentially the same, it would affect what we are doing, and we needed to figure out how to resolve it. And in a lot of cases we have not tested or not found this while doing our testing, because we were just doing sample testing, which is not really ideal. That is one of the reasons I developed a tool that allows you to test these things. Last week I was talking with a potential customer of this and showing it this tool, and showing a little about what we can actually do, how fast it is to set up test cases, run them and process them, and ensuring that it works both from when you're patching, but also when you are doing a migration from something to the PI system. And they really enjoyed it and could see a lot of the benefits of it. And I think that's the reason why I do this. It's because I can see there is something that people are struggling with and are spending a lot of time figuring out how do we do this, and when you can actually automate the solution. So this week I'm actually hosting 2 webinars on the same topic about why you're testing, or how to test your PI migrations a lot faster, or updates, so you just have a full set of test cases, you can run them really fast to ensure that nothing is broken after you have patched or updated your system. So you can sign up in the link below. I do encourage you to do that and see what we can do and how we can help you. And then I would encourage you to just give me a like on this video if you think it is a challenge that we need to test these things and there's really not a good built-in solution. Thank you.